Hello, friends. It's Samantha from Not Now Therapeutics. In this session, I'm going to give you 3 exercises that you can do to improve the function and mobility of your hips, knees, and ankles. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, if you are a person who is thinking to yourself right now, I cannot squat. Well, that might be true in this moment, but it doesn't have to be true always. Your body is designed to respond to the demands that you are placing upon it. So if you have lost your mobility to squat, it really just means that we just need to work on it a little bit at a time, right? Making it easy and digestible so that your body feels comfortable going a little bit further. So if you are a person who is like, I just really can't go that far, that's great. Go as far as you can go. And if it feels more comfortable to you to have a chair behind you so that you can just tap your booty into the chair and then come back up, there is no shame in your game so long as you're trying, right? So do what works for you to be able to see the result. Okay, perfect. So let's make our feet just a little bit more than hips distance apart. You're going to bring that booty back like you're going to sit down into that chair and come right back up. Let's just do 5 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Beautiful work. The next exercise that we are going to do to get mobility through the groin, releasing tension in the hips and getting mobility in the knees is going to be a side lunge. So this is great, notably if you're one of those people who sits cross-legged like this. We're going to talk about that later. But that can put a lot of pressure on those outer hips and cause symptoms of sciatica and things like that. So we don't want that. Again, if you're the type of person who needs a chair or something for stability, perfect. Go ahead and bring your hands onto that chair, just like this. We're going to spread our feet nice and wide as you can. And then you're just going to bend into one knee, keeping that other foot down, opening up that adductor. 1 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 5 and 5. Super fantastic. Last mobility exercise is going to be a split squat. This is going to be excellent for engaging the glutes and opening up the hip flexors. So if you have back pain, things like that, oftentimes it's because we sit so much and we get really tight in our hip flexors, so we have to open those up every so often, turn those glutes on. So let's go ahead and stand on our left leg. We're going to take our right leg back, keeping that heel off of the earth. And then we're just going to bend that front knee down and up. And then we're just going to change. Back leg down and up. That's 1 on each side. 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 and open that hip. 4 and 4 and 5 and 5. Beautiful work. Super duper. Those 3 things are something that you can do every single day to improve your strength and mobility in your hips, knees, and ankles. And if you're out there saying, I can't do that, then just know that everything is figure-outable, everything is modifiable, and you can always be working towards something instead of just stopping and shutting down because you supposedly can't do it. That's a story and it can change. Plot twist. You can squat. Okie dokie. So if you love this content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss a video. And if you are really looking for a wellness community, you want to understand why you're experiencing chronic pain, you can come to my Skool Community. We have the pain-free living experience within that community where you can learn all about why people experience certain symptoms of chronic pain and things that you can do to get out of pain. Plus, you get a consultation with me where we do a posture assessment, a gait analysis, and look at your functional mobility. And I will be more than happy to give you tips and tricks to improve your mobility and get relief from chronic pain for yourself without being dependent on a system designed to profit from your pain. So I hope to see you there. I hope you love this content, and I look forward to connecting soon.